cream cheese keto fat bombs. This dessert is only 3 ingredients to make, starting off with cream cheese, sunflower butter, and honey for sweetness. I do want to give a shout out to Bruce Posh for this honey. It is amazing and you can order it worldwide. I also added milk chocolate to roll the keto bombs in. You can use nuts or you could use coconut flake, but I chose milk chocolate. Now once you gathered all your ingredients, the first thing you're gonna do is get 250 grams of cream cheese, which is half a pack. Now I did cut this into small cubes so that it could soften and be mixed in smooth to the other ingredients. So once I cut it, I placed it into a small bowl, gave my cutting board a quick wipe, and then I got a 1/4 cup of sunflower butter. When I did open the sunflower butter, it was a little separated at the top, so I just mixed it in until it had the consistency of a peanut butter, and then I added a 1/4 cup of sunflower butter to it. And then I added 2 tablespoons of honey just for extra sweetness. And that is really it for the keto bombs. Now you're gonna mix this in until it's smooth, which means all the cream cheese is not visible. There's no white in it, and it resembles the color of the sunflower butter. I also coated mine with milk chocolate, so I had to prep my milk chocolate, which I cut off the bunny's head, and then I shaved it down and did a cross chop to get the chocolate very fine. And I did use about half a cup. Just remember, when you're transporting this chocolate, it does melt to your hands very easily once it's shaved down. And once you have the shaved chocolate and you have your cream cheese sunflower butter mixture, just make small balls and then roll them in the chocolate and then place them on a plate that you're going to be putting in the freezer. Now the size of your balls depends on how many guests you're actually serving, but I actually made mine so that they were 2 bites because I love 2-bite brownies, and I just think it was just enough of a cream cheese sunflower butter ball that it was just perfect. Now once you have all your balls done and placed on the plate, you're gonna place them in the freezer for about 2 to 3 hours until they are firm and hard. Now this is just what they look like when they're done. I took a bite out of it, and when you look inside, it's very smooth, it's very creamy, they're very easy to make. Enjoy. And don't forget to check us out on Instagram at Notice Foods. We do post a lot more gluten-free and oil-free recipes. And feel free to message us on there. It is a lot easier for us to contact you. Thank you.